Yes, today I'm going to teach you how to rank number from descending to ascending. This formula can help you to find the position of the student or to rank any number from descending to ascending. Today I'm going to teach you how to use rank in ranking number from descending to ascending, or finding positioning of the student. Yes, first one, you have to click that equal sign, then rank. After that, open bracket. Then you want to rank which number? I want to rank this number, comma. Then I'm going to my range. This number, I will rank this number in this range. You are going to then highlight your range. So I'm going to rank this number Q2, which is the first student, in this range from 02 up to 30. After that, then press enter. As you can see, this one, it means that this number have been ranked to this range, 02 up to 30. When you drag this one, let's say when you drag, this one cannot be realistic because my range has been moved from this one to this one. So to make it realistic, after this one, just see your range, then apply $sign. Apply $sign to the range. Apply $sign. Apply $sign. This means that I'm going to rank this number or 2, comma to this range, and I have closed this range by $sign because when I'm going to move, I want each number or each student to be ranked in this range. My range cannot differ. So after that, hit enter, then highlight. So as you can see, this one is the first student, which have 99.5, and this one is the second, which has the 98.5 average, and the last one is the last can be this one, which has the 82, which has 22.5. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get next videos. Also like, share, and comment. Thank you.